Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday 21st January. Actually tomorrow is Chinese New Year. Okay, Gong Xi Fa Cai to all the Chinese friends. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow, you where go? You know where is the camera? Handphone? Hey. Yes, I call you KFC. It's KFC boss.
Hello, Mr. Baha. Hi, everyone.
Yes, hey, tomorrow Chinese New Year.
So we have to clean our house and make it clean. Maybe your visitors or friends and family will come and visit. So that's what we normally do. And some people say you have to stop cleaning before midnight.
Before midnight?
Before midnight.
I just mean 12 o'clock.
Yes. Because you're not supposed to clean your house on Chinese New Year.
Mean? What the meaning? Why?
You don't want to clean away the good luck. Because the good luck will come to your house.
Okay. Thank
buy
you.
More avatar, battery and more tech. Insta360.
Yes, good. Osman, good morning. Hey, good morning.
Today I don't fly.
When
Today
you want to
I
buy,
try.
When you want to buy or try avatar, IPV,
I cannot 4D, then I buy.
Hey, Greg, is it this one digital signal? How about the camera?
Camera digital, you look at the wires here. You turn the other side. You see the wires? Oh, here. You see the camera wire? So many.
For view.
Then you see there are two boards, right? The top board is a digital VTX board.
Okay, how to record? Can you do that?
Auto is record inside. Got memory on the board.
Oh, memory.
Got 8 gig on the board.
Okay. What type of video signal they are record? Is it 720?
You can set 720. You can set 1080.
Okay, which one
60p.
is your digital receiver? This is a receiver, right?
This is the receiver. This is the new Voxtail.
Sorry? Yeah, what?
This is the new Voxtail.
Can you hold? You press and hold. They change to video. You press the red button, hold.
Okay, so this is the Voxtail avatar receiver. Everything is avatar nowadays.
Yeah.
So it's designed by Cadex, that the camera, the FPV camera manufacturer.
Wow.
They designed this system. So this is the receiver. It plugs into the goggles by HDMI. So your goggles don't even need to have a receiver.
How far they can go? Or signal any interference when you go certain kilometer?
So it depends, because this one is a 350 milliwatt for tiny whoop size. For tiny whoop size, they have the 1S version. So even if I have a 1S battery, right, I can fly this with the digital.
Okay.
Where like DJI don't make the small ones for tiny whoop. So the bigger one is 1.2. It goes up to 30 kilometers. When it's not blocked. Not blocked.
All right. Hey Justin, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Quite dizzy, you know.
Dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay, even you sit, it's better than you're standing.
Yeah, sitting is better.
Okay.
But
Hey, good morning, Farhan. He told me 10 o'clock now. You see now what time I said?
10 o'clock, just wake up.
Ah.
Wake up. So shower, outside.
10 o'clock. I see, I agree. We just finished the shoot a few days ago.
Few days ago.
Yeah.
When you ready fly?
Yeah, it's really production ready.
Production already.
Need pre-record.
So they have, you see they have a view here.
DJ, so this is the same remote that can work with the avatar.
Oh, okay. This one also you can plug.
The what? DJI.
The only annoying thing about it is sometimes that you need to rebind the remote takes a while to
Oh, okay.
connect.
Black and white because we will connect.
Yeah, no, I disconnect.
Just wait and
Or
see.
in the
So now it's working here. Now it's working there. Why is my video signal
Wow, good like that. Wow. The screen.
Yeah. Except you are using Mavic Mini Pro. Mavic Mini Pro, new Mavic 3 can control because the joystick is here. Because they come with the LCD. So now he connect with USB-C like HDMI connection.
So now it's just a display mirror.
Oh yes. Yes. Oh. You can die.
I want to buy. Oh, is it a normal Sony lock?
SIA agency. Yeah, nice camera. Ini langgar pun tak apa-apa kalau plan. Ini salah tekan ini tak boleh.
No choice, the stock one like it's nonsense for me.
So
I brought the camera higher. Previously the camera was much lower, but I can see the ducks. So
Oh,
now
okay.
when I do this, if you look
so
at
this one very wide, right?
so it's a wide angle camera already, like right from the start. So what you gotta do is I had to raise up the camera, and then I sandwich the 3D print between the carbon fiber board.
Oh, okay. Oh, in between.
Yeah. So if you see this,
like a clip like that.
it's like a clip like that.
Then this rubber mount, rubbish.
Nonsense. Yeah. It's not very good, so I had to compress and
Maybe it make jello for you lah.
yeah, it was causing, even like right now it's still a bit of jello, and I'm trying to still fix it.
This one is tweaking lah, trial and error tweaking. And then you have to maybe print a few more.
But on the GoPro side, it's
I have this one, the analog.
Justin. Gong Xi你呀！恭喜你！
hey, 新年快乐，万事如意。We wish you a happy Chinese New Year.
Yay!